The fucking truth.
In a shocking turn of events, today Jasween suggested that we go out for a coffee date because normally it's me dragging him.
I think yesterday was a long day, so time to.
So, yesterday was a very stressful day. A lot of times, when we are sharing our lives on social media or things, you just see the good parts.
Yeah.
So you don't really see what happens behind the scenes, or you don't see the, when things kind of can go wrong. And yesterday was one of those days, very ultra stressful.
If you're an entrepreneur, you understand.
Yeah. So it was one of those days. But yeah, I think the point is that you bounce back, and it brings me to this one thing that a lot of people comment or tell us कि तुम दोनों travel क्यों नहीं करते हो, तुम दोनों travel क्यों नहीं करते हो. ऐसा नहीं है that we are against traveling or anything. It's just हमने हमारी life और systems ऐसे build किए हैं कि we don't feel like running away. So even though yesterday was stressful, but just because we have things in place so seamlessly that okay, today is like a very relaxed morning.
Yeah.
So you don't basically feel like running away, or oh my god, I need a travel trip to recover from this. Something like that. I mean, it's unpopular opinion, but it works for us.
Fucking truth.
Gym time. Just finished our boarding. Now I'm getting ready for the next one, which is in 20 minutes.
No.
But coffee first. Pain and everything now. I'm sure she likes
Same.
I'm so overwhelmed right now because I was talking to a few clients right now, and the thing is that you just go about in your daily life. You wake up, you do your thing, and then when you talk to your clients, and that's when you actually hear the impact that Shapeshift has on their life. It just reaffirms everything that you do, and it gives you, for me at least, it gives me a push. Like, of course, as a human, there are days when you're so tired, you feel burnt out, you question everything in life. You're like, why the heck am I doing what I'm doing? But then you have these calls and you get an answer to everything. When somebody tells you that, hey, my blood reports are fine, my doctor said I don't need any medicine now, like I'm good to go, I should continue to do whatever I'm doing, and the doctor's like, I'm not going to give you any more medicine, I'm going to stop all your medicines. And then somebody's wife is like, I have never seen my husband so happy and in such a good mood, even though he's on a diet and he's following this plan and all of that, and it's made such an impact in our household. I feel blessed and I feel grateful, and I thank my stars. We kept going when things were difficult, when life was difficult, because then had we not kept going, we would have not experienced what I'm experiencing right now in this moment. I was a fat kid. Okay, so I have dealt with obesity, and I have dealt with insulin resistance, and I have dealt with all the health issues that come with being obese. So when I hear my client, any of my clients tell me that, hey, life is good now, like I see light at the end of the tunnel, I feel like every hardship, every problem, every so-called painful bullshit experience I've been through in life just to reach here has been worth it, because you can only experience the change when you are in it. Like, you cannot, like, even when you're watching this video, you watch the testimonials, you watch my page, you cannot experience it. But when you are actually in it, that's when you will feel the change from within. And I experienced that. Like, fitness changed that for me. I saw hope at the end of the tunnel, and every time I talk to my clients, I try and just replicate that feeling. It's not that मुझे उनका वेट कम कराना है या मेरा सिर्फ एक ही एजेंडा है कि भाई आपका वेट कम हो जाए. समझो कि there is hope. Life is not so hopeless. When you actually become fit, everything else falls into place somehow. And that's what I want them to experience. So every time I have a call with anybody, this is the feeling that I'm trying to make them understand. That is the path that I'm designing for them, so that they see, okay, yes, there is hope for me. No matter what anybody has told them, no matter what anybody has said, no matter what failures they have experienced so far. I had a very emotional call, so I think I'm just overwhelmed and it's a lot of gibberish that's coming out, maybe, but I'm truly feeling so grateful that somehow I landed up in this space. Or up lunchtime. Let me show you how my dogs sleep full day. For